Hey, hi everyone, good evening. Thanks for joining. Uh, yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, actually, I have to update the notes and recording as well for the Friday class. Saturday class. I will do that after this class. Okay. Uh, just give a minute. When yeah, sorry guys. Yeah. Is my voice is clear right now? Okay. Notes. Okay. Let me share. You do not have access for notes? Ah, yes, yes, yes. I shared in WhatsApp group, right? Other day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. It's a Google Doc now. You can see the update. It's like real-time updates. Yeah. So day six topic I had to update. Day six class. Hmm. I will update that after this call. Okay. So we were discussing um, relationship in Salesforce, right? I think we have covered the lookup relationship and we started the master detail relationship. Today we will complete the master detail relationship. Um, like few things we need to discuss. Today we will see them. 1 minute. Yeah. So as we discussed, lookup relationship is a loosely coupled relationship. So whenever the parent is deleted, child won't be deleted, and parent and child both are independent. And yeah, we cannot perform the roll-up summary, and securities also cannot be shared to child record. But in coming to the master detail relationship, it's um, a tightly coupled relationship. When parent is deleted, child is also automatically deleted, right? So I think we have seen how to create the master detail relationship in the child record. Basically, master is parent and detail is the child, and detail can be a custom object when you create when you create by own. By default, there are standard objects which are available for master detail, opportunity and opportunity line and all. But when you create custom lookup field, right, the object should be the detail object should be a custom object. So I think we have created a we have a call object. We created a account name for the master detail relationship. So earlier account name was lookup, and then we converted by changing the data type to master detail. Basically, we have seen one more thing. Um, so if you have a data, existing data, right? Have see if you come to my screen, let's say if you have existing data like 1 2 3 4, like some like some records, existing call records, right? So you cannot directly create a master detail relationship. So you have to convert, you have to create you have to create a first lookup relationship field, then fill the data. I mean here, let's say account name. First you have to create an account name as a lookup relationship. Then you have to fill the account name for all the records. Then only you are eligible to change the account name from lookup to master detail. That is one of the like interviews and perspective, like important scenario they will ask you. Okay, today we'll see like so yeah, roll up summary thing, and there are some things we need to discuss actually. So yeah, basically yeah, I will go to the account. Yeah, account, and what is the object? Call object. Call object is a detail object for us. Account is a master. Sorry. Let me go to the data relationships between objects in Salesforce can be a sorry. Let me go to the call. Yeah, here. And as I said, it's a like strong relationship between the two objects. Child cannot be like child completely controlled by the parent actually, like parent in the sense account here. So you cannot see record owner. Record owner will be a child, parents owner only, and you cannot update the, you cannot change the parent as well. Here if I click on the edit, so you see this parent cannot be changed. By default parent cannot be changed, it's a read only, and you won't see a record owner. Okay, for the like in the master data relationship record. Now it's a default behavior. Basically you cannot change the parent uh, I mean parent of the record. That can be customized. Like there is one more option. If you go to the account name, here you see like if you click on edit, so there are two options. Like there is one option like allow reparenting, which means like I can change this. Like right now this call is associated with this University of Arizona, right? So this record parent is University of Arizona. We cannot change this. It's a default behavior. If you want to change this, or if you want to reparent into some other account, you can do that. But this option has to be enabled. Then only you can do that. So I'm just doing this, enabling this option, and let me refresh the page. Edit. So I cannot see that there is some issue in the lightning, so I'm just doing log off and log in. If you don't see the changes immediately, just log in and log out and log in. You may can see call. You see this? I can see a button, edit button. Now edit button is enabled. I can change it to some other account. Yeah, this is one of the scenario. Yeah, we have to understand. Like we have to, like they may ask you like is it how you can reparent the record, like child record in the master detail relationship. So you have to enable this button, you have to enable this option, then only you will get the edit option. Okay. The next one is roll up summary. Sorry. So basically, roll-up summary you will get only in the master detail relationship only. And for example, here let's say let me create one field just for our understanding only. I'm creating this field, but in our this is not project requirement anything. Just under understanding only we I'm creating the field. So let's what is it's a number. Okay, I'm going to create a one field called the data type is number and just amount, call amount, let's say required externally direction. Next, I'm going next. This is I'm giving visible to every profile. Going next, it will add on the page layout, call layout. Yeah, now we have a field called call amount. Let's see that that field is available on the page layout. It's reflecting on the UI. It's not reflecting now. Let's check whether the call page. We will see the page layouts after the relationship is topic is done. We will see the page layouts as well. Page layouts and record pages we will see. That is our next topic. Those are two our next topics. So I'm just checking whether that amount is available. Call amount. Yeah, call amount is available on the page, but it is not reflecting. So as I said, just log out and log in. Okay, log in. So let's go to calls. Yeah, I can see it now. I'm just giving call amount is just 1000. Okay, and I will create one more call. Yeah, I have already another call. It's I'm just giving 2000. I'm creating one more child record for account, the same account. Just giving call 3 and amount is uh, just 3000. Let's say maybe giving 3000. Okay, so we have a maybe in your like real-time project you will see you know good number of records like it could be a maybe 50 records also 60 records also you could see. I want to in the account I want to see the total amount of calls. See, I want to calculate the each call amount. The total has to be see on the object level in the object and the object level in the sense in the parent level and account level I want to see that. So I will create one more maybe annual. I will create one more field here. Okay. So I want to see that like you guys understand, right? Like I want to like for example, if you want to see the total amount of the all the calls, and I want to see uh, highest amount from the call and minimum amount and maximum highest max both same minimum sum means total calls amount and minimum calls amount. And here what is the minimum? This is the minimum 100, I mean 1000. The same way maximum amount you can also see. Okay, and the count like how many call records are available. So here with 3, so you can see those child's data, I mean into a parent, in a parent object you can see like by using the roll up summary field. So here account and call is both are in master detail. Now you can create roll up summary field on the account level. So you will always create a roll up summary field on the parent level. Okay, and master detail relationship will create on the child level. Any relationship actually lookup per master detail, any relation we will create on the child level. So here I want to understand, I want to see, I want to calculate the total amount of calls. So I'm going to create a new field. So and you will see the data type. You will see the data type roll up summary. So it's a read only field. You cannot edit this field. It will automatically calculate when the child records are updated. Read only field that displays the sum, maximum, minimum, maximum value of the field in the related list. The record or record count of all records listed in the related list. Okay. Now I'm selecting this option as a data type. Going next. So the field total amount, I'm just total call amount. Yeah, total call amount. Going next. Sorry. So here you need to select the object. See here, I can see opportunities as well. So in your previous class, we have discussed, we have concluded that account and opportunity both are in the lookup relationship. And also there is a proof in Salesforce. If you go to the schema builder, I mentioned right, like in schema builder, you can able to see the relation between the objects. Okay, I'm just checking the, I'm selecting both account and opportunity. I want to see the relation. You see this? What is the relation here? It's a lookup relation only. Sales was saying it is a lookup relationship between account, I mean account and opportunity. But why it is showing here summarized object? Okay, we can also see the see like we know like call. We haven't discussed about the associate locations and entitlements, but we have seen calls and opportunities, right? We know these two objects. Okay, calls is a custom object. We only made the master data relationship between the account and calls. This is fine. But why opportunities coming? So opportunities we know like the relation between the two objects is lookup only. But still Salesforce showing it as Salesforce is giving an option to select this. Yeah, this is one of the special case. Um, opportunity the relation between the account and opportunity is lookup only. Still we can able to create a roll up summary field by summarizing the object opportunity object. So this is we have to like we have to remember. Yeah, this is one of the special case as we have seen last time. When the account is deleted, contact will also get deleted, and also when account is deleted, opportunity will also get deleted. Okay, even they are in the lookup relationship. The same way we have to like you have to remember, you can still create the roll up summary field between the account and opportunities. Okay, now I will go to the calls. And since topic is came right, I think I have missed one more point. Let me go to any account. Let me go to any account. Yeah. Last time we have seen, for example, if I delete this test account, this opportunity will also get deleted. This is what we have seen, right? Let me do it now. Okay, we'll open this opportunities tab in separate opportunity in separate tab so that we can refresh the page to conclude whether it is deleted or not. So I'm deleting this account. Account is deleted and refreshing this. Opportunities also get deleted even though they are in the lookup relationship. This is also a special case. Both account and opportunity will be deleted when you delete the account. So let me uh, restore that where you can restore in recycle bin you can restore that account, deleted account, but that opportunity cannot be seen in the recycle bin. Okay, yeah, now I will go to the account. We'll do one more thing. I will update something. So in the opportunity, let me change the stage, right? Closed one. Okay, save. We'll try to delete the account now. Okay, refresh the page and we'll try to delete this account now. You cannot delete because some opportunities in the account were closed one. The opportunities that could not be deleted are shown below. Okay, so this is also one of the case you have to remember. If the opportunities stage is closed one, you cannot delete the account. When I change this opportunity stage to some other value, we'll see. Refreshing the page and delete. You can delete that. Yeah, this is the point. This is also one of the special case we have to remember. It's a Salesforce behavior, but like in the standard behavior only. Closed means like we made some business with that like customer, right? That's why Salesforce is not allowing us. Deal is closed won, like means like we successfully made some business. Yeah. So that those are some cases we have to remember. They will confuse us. Okay, I will anyhow I will note down all these points in the notes. Like extra like special cases and all. Yes. Okay, done. Now let's come to our roll-up summary field. Now I want to know the total calls amount on the account. So that amount will be stored on the total calls amount field, custom field. That is roll-up summary field. Now we are giving the criteria. So roll-up type, I'm giving roll-up type as sum. So what is the aggregated aggregated field? So we have to utilize this call amount, right? So this call amount only can be, where is that call? Let me go to call deleted. Yeah, call deleted because we deleted account now. So as a master detail relationship, call will also get deleted. Let me recycle pin. Okay, where is the account? This is seems like I completely deleted the account permanently. Okay, let me create one more account. Sorry, test account. Hmm, save. And in this account, I'm creating a uh, call one. So amount is 1000 and the call two is 2000. Sorry, call three is 3000. Yeah, let's yeah here what is our aggregation field is aggregated field is based on this call amount, like we are calculating this call amount, right? That field has to be selected here. Okay, and sum next. So like this will be applicable for all the records. We have two options you can put for the filter. So one is all records should be included in the calculation. So I'm selecting this one first. Next. Oh, it's not going. It's not going. Let me refresh this. Think my system is slow. Yeah, roll up summary. Next. Call amount. Call amount. Next. Okay, I want to put call total amount. So if you want to applicable that API field on this field label, just update the field label and cut and paste it and come to the just click on this field name. You will see the updated API. Okay, calls and sum aggregate is call amount. I'm applying for all the records, all call objects, call records. Going next. Yeah. So this field will be visible for all the profiles. Next. So we have different page layouts on account. Applying for all the page layouts. Next. Yeah, done. Let's open any account. I mean the account which we created recently. Okay. I cannot see that field on the page layout, right? Just log out and log in. Yeah, see this call total amount. I can see the field. The total amount is 6,000. Like we have three calls. Each call, like one call is 1,000, second call is 2,000, third call is 3,000. Total is 6,000. So I can, it will be automatically calculated. Like when I change the this call amount to some 3,500 maybe. We'll see whether it is updated or not. Or see 6,500. It got updated. You cannot change this field. It's a completely read-only field. You cannot update it. You cannot update from UI. You cannot update from backend. When I'm talking about the backend, so there are several tools available to update the records, like in a bulk manner. So data loader, workbench, Salesforce inspector, and there are some other extensions also available to update the records in a bulk. So we will see those tools later. So right now I'm using this Salesforce inspector to update the records from the backend. So let's see total call amount. Yeah, this is the field API and label, and you see the star. It will tell you like roll up summary, roll up summaries, some call object and call amount. Okay. So here you won't get the edit option. So if you click on the other fields, I can able to get the edit option, but for this field you cannot find since it is a read-only field. The same way you can, you know, you can let me update this field for minimum amount. I'm just keeping the label is same, We'll update the roll up criteria. Okay, I'm selecting minimum amount, right? Call amount, save. You will see 1000, I guess. Yeah, 1000. The same way for maximum amount. Count also you can find. For count, no need to select any aggregate, you know, field. So let me save this, and you will see three. Yeah, three. Yeah. Next, there is a we can also put the filter criteria. Right now, the roll up is applicable for all the records, right? But you can also customize the selected records if you want to put. For example, maybe call name call name contains. If I put the condition, so you know this operators not equals, not equals to, contains, does not contain, starts with. Everyone knows, right? For example, if the call name I want to, like, there is a requirement, so we have a different calls, right? Every call name starts with call one, call, right? But my requirement is I want to calculate the amount if the call name starts with call only. Okay, if any call is not starts with call, I won't consider that amount. That is my requirement. First we'll create the one more new call, the same account. Maybe this can be test call. Okay, and the amount is 5000. mm, so I can see it, 4. Yeah, let me change this to sum. And right now, yeah, as of now I'm applying for all the records and aggregating for the save. And call amount, save, right? Let's see. I can see 11,500. And my requirement is, now my requirement is I have to calculate all the calls where name starting with the call. Okay, let's see. So I have to put a filter for that. So just select the second option and you can select the field. So we want to the filter is should be on the call name, right? The call name you have to select, and it should starts with call. Then only you have to calculate. For those records only it will pick, and that calls amount will be calculated. So it starts with call, save, right? Now let me see the, yeah, you see this call total amount is 5500 because 5500, 2000, and this is 3000. Why it is not calculated? Because it's a capital C. It's a case sensitive. Case sensitive means it will consider the letters, I mean capital or small letters as well. Okay, you cannot control that sensitivity here. We don't have the option, I guess. I think you cannot control. Okay, now let's change this call name to small c. It can be also considered as a consider for the total call amount on the account. So 6500. Yeah. Yeah, this is about the roll up summary field, right? So roll up summary can only available for the master data relationship, right? So now interview, sorry. Parent side, parent side only. Yes, yes. So parent can only have see roll up summary field means play you have to play with the child records. So group of childs, you want to calculate the amount of the group of childs, right? So obviously it should be on the parent side only because parent only can have the childs na. So the childs. So right now we have seen one example like we are having the different calls having the different amount. That amount has to be calculated and updated on the account. Okay. So here like in interview like they will ask you. So in lookup, are we can able to create a roll up summary field? So you will say like definitely we cannot create, right? But they will ask you to create still. There is a way actually. In a declarative way you cannot create, but in Apex you can create it. So declarative means like in the admin way. This is admin, right? Like we are doing. We are creating field on the object and all. We are not implementing any code. This is called declarative. This declarative like declarative means like there is no code involvement. Okay, in the programmatic way, you can create the roll up summary field. I mean roll up summary behavior. You can create it. So they will ask you like most of the cases they will ask you to write a trigger, na. So that trigger is roll up summary trigger only. So find out the opportunity amount, and that opportunity amount will be should be updated on the account. The same way count like find out the number of contacts for the particular account, and that number should be updated on the account. These are the scenarios they will ask you for the custom roll up summary. Okay, this is about master detail relationship, right? Now we will see many to many. Just a minute. Two, two only, two fields you can create. So yes, yes. Roll up summary. Let me check. Actually, I also not sure. I think you can create because see, like for total amount, I have created this field. For minimum amount, I can create one more field. But actual count, I will check and let you know. Actual limit, I will check and let you know. Like how many roll up summary fields can create. Yeah, and so I'm thinking, yeah, one just a minute. And the second one is many to many relationship. As of now, we have seen one to many, right? One like one parent can multiple childrens. Yeah. Now we will see many to many. So in lookup and master data relationship, always like one parent and multiple childrens, right? In both parent will be only one, but childrens have many. But in many to many, like I can say it's a relationship between the maybe it's just assumes like two parents. Um, maybe like let's say general example, we have a um, candidate. For example, there is a job application, right? There is job application, maybe Salesforce. There is a job application, Salesforce developer. Okay, but there are yeah, Salesforce developer, and and one more also I can say Salesforce admin. See, this application can be uh, you know um, applied to multiple users. For example, X also can apply, Y also can apply, Salesforce developer, and Z also can apply, right? The same way, X also can apply to Salesforce admin, Salesforce Y also can apply, Z also can apply. So here, job application can be you know um, can apply can can have the multiple candidates. Okay, and single candidate can apply multiple job applications, right? It's a menu to many actually. For example, this is one of the this is a candidate. This object is a candidate object, I can say. So, and this is the I mean job position. This is job position. As I said, candidate can have the multiple positions can apply, and multiple positions can be applied by multiple candidates. Okay, so like in account to I mean account and contact relationship. Let's say this is account, this is contact. So single account can have the multiple contacts, no? I mean, this is one contact, this is another contact, this is another contact. Single account have the multiple contacts. So all contacts will be storing stores under the account related list, right? So here we can also just think like that. So let's say candidate should have the multiple job applications should be stored here, and same job position should have the multiple candidates should be stored here. So in Salesforce we cannot do like so in only parent side only you can have the related in parent side only you can store all the related records, which means childs. But here I need to store both ways. In candidate ways also have to store all the job applications, and job applications is also have to store the candidate applications. This is not possible basically. So one to many directly cannot be possible. So as we have, if you see this, when you create any relationship, you cannot find many to many as a data type. You will see lookup and master only. You cannot find the many to many as a relationship data type. So here what we will do is we will create another object. Okay, we will create another object. That object will stores the this relationship actually. That object will that object will act as a junction between the two objects. Okay, we call it as a junction object. So here this direct relationship cannot be done. What we do is we create one more object, that is junction object. Junction object name can be a job application. Job application, right? So here it can store all the you know um, records, I mean child records and all. In junction object we will see. So junction object can only form by creating the two um, master detail fields. So we have to create two master detail fields here on the junction object. One is job position for job position, okay. Another one is for candidate. So that's why I mentioned. So it's a kind of relationship between the two parents, okay. So for these two parents, we cannot make a relation between the two parents in Salesforce. So the relation should be between the parent and child only, right? So that's why we create one more custom object. That custom object can act as a child to these two parents. So the relation between the candidate and job position will be master detail, and the job position and the job application would be a master detail. So we will create two master detail relationship fields on the job application. One is for candidate, another one is for job position. Right? I hope. Let me create a objects then, so that we will get understand. First, I have to create a object for candidate to store the candidate information. Let's say we'll create new custom object. Create candidates. Giving a sorry, save. Just creating few fields. One is name, candidate name. Sorry. Length. I'm giving, yeah. Save. Next. Save. And one more field. Email. I mean candidate email. The applicant email actually. Email. Next. Sorry. Save. And this candidate object stores the candidate information. Multiple candidate records can store. Now I'm going to create job position. Job positions. Save. Okay. Fields. Maybe just going text and creating text. Going with the text data type. Location. Next. For example, Salesforce developer post in Hyderabad, Pune, like that. We are just given the location. Now maybe I can also create a salary. So we can select the currency, right? Currency. Next. Okay. So sorry. Let's fill the details. Uh, Okay, let's fill the details. Don't think we'll get. Mm, 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 mm. I cannot see here candidate or right. I cannot see. Yeah, let me add the tab. So we have to go to home. I mean setup home and tabs. Go to tabs. You will see custom object tabs. Just click on new. So you can see the different custom objects which don't have the tabs. I'm creating candidate tab, giving some. Okay, this one just save. So it will applicable for all the profiles. Default on. Next, so save. The same way I want to add for the job position as well. So some random color style I was added. So it will be applicable for all the profiles and save. Okay, let's refresh the page. You will see why I cannot see calendar people calls. Let me add more items. All. What is just candidate? Yeah, I can see. Click on add and job position. Save. Yeah, here I can see candidates and job position. Candidates, I'm just giving the information, creating new record. Satyam. Okay. I'll okay. No need this of this field. Let's ignore this one. Okay. Just giving this email. Save. And the same way I will create the job position. Job position. Salesforce developer. 1 minute. Yeah. Salesforce developer. Location Hyderabad. Maybe I can put salary some maybe 20 lakhs I can put. Save. So here um, so we have a job position and candidate. So we need to link actually. So we need to link both of the records. Since it's a many to many, you cannot directly link. You cannot find. Okay. There you will have to create new object called junction object, that is the job application. Okay. Save. Now we have to create a new. So see, these two are the both are parent only. Okay. So we need a child. We are creating a child, that is job application. So child can act as it will be bridge between the two parents. That is called junction object. Candidate. So one is both has to be master detail only. Relate to candidate, yes, candidate. Next, field name candidate only, and next, save and new. I will create one more field that is also master detail to link the Java application. Now we created for candidate, now we'll creating for job application. Job application, yes, job position basically, yes, job position. So job position, API, next, 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 save. You cannot create, yes, as I mentioned. So if existing records are available, right, you cannot create basically. So let me delete the existing records. Or first we have, or else you can, change the, like, you can first you have to create the lookup, and then you will, you know update the missing fields, and then you have to update, like, you have to modify the lookup to master tail, but uh, that is a long process. Save. It's not coming. Okay, I will do it from beginning. Candidate is already done. Oh, it's created. Yeah, both are created. Now let's see. Um, so if I go to the, we have to link between the two um, records, right? Now let's create, what is this job application? Okay, same you have to create a tab, go to tabs, to available on the new, I mean, UI. You have to go create a tab, a job application, and some star, save, next, save, done. Let's refresh the page. Job, okay, here also you need to adjust, like, to add in to this, add more items. It is not added in the navigation bar. Job position, yeah, job application, add new, save. So we have three objects in UI. Let's create. Okay, let me recycle bin, add them. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to create a link between the two records, candidate and job position. For example, Satyam Parasa is applying into Salesforce developer, right? What you will do is you will create a new applicant, duplicate. I'm going to create a new applicant, job application, new. You will see what is the job application name. Maybe Satyam SFDC developer, just random. So who is the candidate? Satyam. What is the job position? Salesforce developer. Save. Okay. Let's refresh this. Here we haven't added in the related list. That's why I cannot see that. Let me add as well. Edit object. I don't think I was added or related list is already there. Why? Okay. Yeah, this is it's already there actually. Related list properties. Let me log out and log in. Yeah, you see this. You can see. Um, yeah, as I said, like we job application is child for candidate. You will see the list of job applications. So like I was applied as of now I was applied only for Salesforce developer, right? Now if I have another position, if I have another different position, right? For example, we have this is only Salesforce, this is just Salesforce developer position. If I want to add one more position, maybe Java developer, some Pune, Murik. If I if apply if Satyam is apply for Java, right? That Java also will come here. I mean Java developer position also will come here. That application. So where I can apply, just go to Java application, new Java developer, some application I can say Pune, maybe Java application candidate who is that Satyam. Position is Java. So Satyam is applied for two positions. Okay, I can we can see those in you know in candidate related list. Go to see both two, right? The same way, for example, let's say if some if maybe Praveen, right? So Praveen is also Praveen haven't applied any application, right? He also can apply to Salesforce. He can also apply to Salesforce developer position. So in like Praveen only have one application, and let's see if you go to the Salesforce job application, you will see the uh, let me refresh this. Is not available. Let's go to object. I'm just checking the page layout whether the related list is available or not. Uh, it's not available actually. What is this? Yeah, this is job application candidate. Yeah, correct. This is job position and yeah, correct, correct. Okay, job position for Salesforce. Yes, correct. Sorry. Mm, yeah. See, you will see the two applications came for the Salesforce developer position. One is Satyam, another one is Praveen. Like that. This how we will, um, relate the two, and we will create the many-to-many relationship in Salesforce. Okay, by using the junction object. In junction object, you have to create the two master detail relationship fields. Okay, junction object will act as a child for both, parent objects. I can say. Just assume as a parent objects only. Yeah. So that's all for today. Um, Tomorrow we will discuss about the page layouts and record pages. And one more relationship is pending, hierarchical relationship and external relationship. Both are small things only. We will cover tomorrow, and then we will start the page layouts and record pages. We will complete both of them tomorrow. And also, I'm thinking like if you guys have availability, right? So we can also start development. I mean, some if you are interested, or else if you anyone like let me know if you are interested so that I can also it's not like regular day every day. So whenever I get time, right, I can anyhow I will discuss like once the development admin is done, I will start development classes. But if you want to learn parallelly, if you already know about the Apex and all, you can join with me. We will have some practice kind of sessions whenever I get the time. We will cover them in the coming days, but if you interested, if you have a time, let me know so that whenever I have a time, we can have a connect. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for joining. I will let you know.